The right technology for your practice should improve the efficiency of patient and staff experiences, not slow you down with one-size-fits-all workflows and information that's not relevant. To improve practice performance, retina specialists need software that understands how they work, with built-in features and functionality specific to their procedure workflows. Nextech's industry-leading ophthalmology-specific platform delivers intuitive features and functionality to help retina specialists streamline surgical planning with an EHR that's integrated with the ASC to avoid redundant entries and gaps in care, better manage communication about patient care, and increase the quantity of referrals you receive, since the volume of ophthalmologists using Nextech to refer patients to retina specialists is greater than any other platform available. Increased charting efficiency with retina-specific profiles, and a built-in retinal injection frequency log that can help guide decisions on future treatment. Improve efficiency with built-in PACS integration that enables diagnostic testing to be completed without leaving a patient chart. With Nextech, correspondence between practitioners is simple. Updates and letters are automatically generated and can be sent at the end of every encounter. It's also easy to locate physicians in your area and share information about patient care with just a few clicks. Take control of your practice, increase your capacity to take on more clients, and simplify the delivery of excellent patient care with Nextech's industry-leading ophthalmology-specific platform. More retina specialists rely on Nextech than any other platform. Contact us today to learn more.